In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the color of the active cell in Microsoft Excel. Start by opening your Excel spreadsheet. Once your file is on screen, go to the top of the window and click the View tab. This tab contains several display and navigation tools that can help you work more comfortably inside a worksheet. After you open the View tab, look across the ribbon for the Show group. The ribbon is the toolbar area at the top of Excel, and the Show group is where you will find the option used for this feature. Take a moment to locate it so you know exactly where the setting lives. In the Show group, click the Focus Cell button. As soon as you turn this on, Excel will begin highlighting the row and column of the cell you currently select. That makes the active cell much easier to track, especially when you are working with large spreadsheets or scanning across many rows and columns. Each time you click a different cell, the highlight will move with it, so you can always see your current position clearly. If you want to customize the color of that highlight, stay in the same area and click the drop-down arrow directly beneath the Focus Cell button. This opens additional options related to the feature. From there, hover over Focus Cell Color. A color palette will appear, giving you a range of choices for how the active cell highlight should look. Select the color you prefer from the palette. As soon as you choose one, Excel will apply that color to the Focus Cell highlight. You can try different options until you find one that is easy on your eyes and stands out well against the rest of your worksheet. Choosing a clear, visible color can make navigation easier, especially if your spreadsheet contains a lot of data or already uses cell formatting. That is all you need to do. Open the spreadsheet, go to View, find the Show group, enable Focus Cell, and then use the drop-down menu to change the Focus Cell color to the one you want. This is a quick way to make the active area of your worksheet easier to follow while you work. That covers everything you need to know.